So what brought me here to Sarton Physical Therapy was essentially a referral I received from a doctor at USC.
I found Julie on the internet in my 3rd month of pain, and it was when my levels were debilitating, the pain levels were debilitating.
I went to a colorectal surgeon who highly recommended that I go to Julie specifically.
And I would fly out here once a week to see her from Arizona.
I'd heard about her for years and never approached it until I couldn't do what I loved. And then I thought, oh, that's it, I'm done, I gotta go to see Julie.
I actually came here because I didn't know where else to turn, and I'm really glad I did because they're helping me.
Little did I know when I first talked to Julie that she would help me through the darkest time in my life, and that she would be a key player in my eventual recovery. It's a little hard to talk about Julie and not get emotional because of how important she has been in my life.
What stands out to me about Sarton Physical Therapy is it's really a very unique practice.
They're very compassionate, and they really listen to what you have to say and they take it into account.
I'd been to other classical PT, and this was definitely specifically what I needed for my injury.
I like to say that she's kind of like my, my personal therapist as well.
By working on a physical and psychological level at the same time, I could heal at really deep levels that was life-changing for me.
I could not find a provider that really supported men in particular.
15 minutes of my appointment, I knew that I had found the right diagnosis and the right treatment, and that was a turning point in my journey.
Not all therapists work in this well-rounded manner, and that's what makes these guys so effective in their treatments.
They give you the tools that you can use outside of the office, so you don't have to just wait until your next appointment to have healing and to make progress.
And then coming here, they showed me how everything connected and what it really is, and the things that make me flare up, the things that don't, that was like huge. I mean, when I tell people that I go to physical therapy before, they're like, what? Never even heard of that.
My sessions here have been going great. I mean, I notice an immediate result, especially when I come more frequently.
I can do more than before, and I have longer periods where I'm not in so much pain.
My symptoms have resolved, so they're under control now. I know exactly what's going on with the pelvic floor.
And they were able to get releases, and I was able to have surgery because I couldn't even have surgery. I was spasming so badly.
I know that Julie has really high standards, and whoever she has on her staff will be excellent.
I've had total relief, complete relief, and I'm back to running again, so it's been very exciting.
I was able to get pregnant after just 10 months of treatment and got pregnant right away, so I was very happy.
Really life-changing.
They are a huge reason why I now live a very happy and healthy life.
I don't know, it's kind of a leap of faith. Like, this is very treacherous territory for a lot of people, but honestly, everything about it has been a wonderful experience.
My advice for somebody that's kind of at the end of the rope is don't give up, never give up.
Try it now.
If I hadn't met Julie, I am not sure that I would be where I am today, which is pain-free on almost all days, and I don't take any medications.
To know that, hey, I can actually do something about this, that I don't have to suffer through it, that there is a way to find healing and to see progress, there's nothing comparable to that.
I highly recommend.
I highly recommend.
I highly recommend. I highly recommend Sarton
Sarton
Physical
Physical
Therapy.
Therapy.